Let me show you how to log out of Apple Music on your iPhone. If you no longer wanted to be logged into your Apple account, I'll show you a quick workaround to log out and log in using another account. Now, within the Apple Music app, we can always go to your profile and you'll be able to see a bunch of different options, but there's no one logout option to be able to essentially log out and maybe log in a different account. We can't do it in the Apple Music app, but we can do it specifically in the settings on your iPhone. So just head into the settings and specifically we're going to go to the media and purchases. Now from here, if we tap sign out, it will say this will sign you out of Apple services like Apple Store, Apple Music, Apple TV, and more. So just hit the sign out button and essentially it will sign you out. All you need to do from there is tap on it and then just hit continue to sign into a different account. You might need your Face ID to sign in. And then essentially after you've signed into that other account, you'll be able to see the new profile at the very top. In addition to that, it will have a new set of suggestions for music for you to listen to, but it'll also have a different subset of downloaded songs and playlists, etc.